When a customer comes to us for an automation or system integration project, they can expect to work with a company with over 32 years of building and designing and installing automation. And customers come to us for a couple of reasons. Some of them is just our location, but then I think they come back to us because we deliver products that work. In the automation and integration piece is always starting off with design specification. We need to agree on what we're going to design. Then we have a design process. Some customers are really hands-off and some customers want to be a part of designing every single piece, and we're happy to work with both. What guides us in selecting hardware, tools, and automation is really based on the customer's need. We work essentially across all automation vendors and really try to find the right tool set for the application. It's a wide range of customers that come to us for automation and integration. We've helped startups in building their manufacturing process. We've installed automation at Amazon, SpaceX, at Raytheon, Intel. Those are big companies that have very defined processes and criteria for installing automation in their factories. And we know how to work with them and we know how to get the job done.